Hey buddies, welcome back to Capsy Photography, and I am Adi, back with the easy peasy lemon squeezy photography idea. So the photo we are going to take today is this. Easy, right? You know what we need to take this image? Just simple 5 to 6 flat stones. You will get it in just 2 minutes. Just go out of your home, search it, you will get it. So be ready with that, and before that, let's roll the intro, guys. So guys, before going to take the pic, I want to give you a golden advice to take epic photos. You have to subscribe Catchy Photography, okay? Then only you can take epic photos. So that's all. If you're seeing my channel for the first time, subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you will be notified instantly whenever I upload my new videos. So without delay, let's go to take the pic, guys. Are you ready with the stones? I'm not. Let me go to search for the stones.
So friends, now I have kept some plants, and on top of that I have arranged our stones. So I'm taking the photo in auto mode, focus and click it. So now let's go to edit it. So friends, we are using Lightroom to edit this pic. If you haven't downloaded Lightroom yet, the link is in the description. Go there and download it, guys. It's a cool app. So import your pic and open it. And this is my pic. So first what we need to do, crop. On the right side, the third option is cropping. So crop your image. Yeah, this is perfect, and save it. The next is adjust brightness, contrast and all. It lies, there will be an icon of a sun. Click it, so you will be able to adjust the exposure, contrast, light, highlights, etc, etc, etc. Then I'm not playing on contrast, exposure. Increase the contrast, I'm increasing the highlight, decreasing the shadow, and decreasing the whiteness, no sorry, increasing the whiteness and decreasing the black. And now let's see what difference we brought on this image. And this is the before and this is the after. So next is temperature. Below that there will be temperature, and on the top there will be an option called mix. Click it and we can see several options, and we can adjust each and one of it. So select dark blue, scroll the hue to left and saturation to right, and we can see how it became more bluish. Do the same to remaining colors also. Light blue, green, do the same to green also, friends. Hue left, saturation right, and there will be yellow, do the same, and there will be orange, do the same. On the red, no need to do the same, adjust it according to your pick. In my case I need it. So as we can see, blue is little more right. To make it tally, what we need to do is take profile. From the top, the fourth option, guys, it is called profile, and there will be many presets, and from that select the preset called artistic 3, and they will what tally it. So we can, if you want, you can adjust it. So I'm increasing it little more, and now let's see what difference it brought before and after. Wow. And we need to bring or get some depth to this picture. For that, below the temperature there is an option. Click it. In here we can adjust the vignette, clarity, the texture, etc, etc, round, midpoint. So increase the texture up to 25, up to your picture. Clarity also I'm increasing it. Vignette for a little bit I'm reducing it. Midpoint I'm decreasing it. Feather also I'm increasing it. Roundness also I'm increasing it. And that's all we need to do with the editing. Now let's see our before and after. Okay guys, be ready. This is the before, and boom, this is the after.
So friends, that's all about editing and taking the photo. If you like the video and leave your opinion on the comment box. Please share this video to maximum, guys, and subscribe my channel, guys. That is really important. And I'll be back with this kind of banger videos. Until that, stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. If you have any doubt or something, you can either go in the comment box or text me on Instagram. Of course, guys, I'll give you the reply. So